Do you know the differences between sí and sí? Today we will talk about that. Sugar Astronaut presents Spanish Made Easy. Hi everyone, welcome to another lesson. Today we will talk about sí and sí. These two words sound kind of similar, but they mean something different. But before, don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Okay, let's get started. The first sí I'm referring to is this one. The second one is this one. Do you see any difference? The only difference is that one has an accent mark on top of the letter I. In Spanish, both of these words are used and both of them have a different meaning. The first sí without an accent mark means if and sometimes whether. The one over here with the accent mark means yes. That's its only meaning. That's pretty easy, right? Now let's see a few examples using sí without the accent mark. Vamos a ir al parque si deja de llover. Vamos a ir al parque si deja de llover. Podría viajar si tuviera dinero. Podría viajar si tuviera dinero. Quisiera saber si te gustaría cenar conmigo. Quisiera saber si te gustaría cenar conmigo. Él no me preguntó si quería ir. Él no me preguntó si quería ir. Mi amigo me preguntó si quería ir a la fiesta. Mi amigo me preguntó si quería ir a la fiesta. Okay, now we know how to use sí without the accent mark. Now let's see examples using the word sí with the accent mark. La respuesta a tu pregunta es sí. La respuesta a tu pregunta es sí. Sí, quiero ir, gracias. Sí, quiero ir, gracias. Mi amiga dijo que sí va a ir a la fiesta. Mi amiga dijo que sí va a ir a la fiesta. Sí, gracias. Sí, gracias. Te dije que sí quería comer pasta. Te dije que sí quería comer pasta. Okay, that was all for today. I hope you liked this lesson. Let me know any questions about this topic in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to leave me more examples down below using these two words. You know I always love to read your comments. Subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. I'm on Facebook, Google+, Twitter, Instagram, Periscope, Snapchat. All the links are in the video description. Support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Also by visiting my Patreon page. There are different perks when donating. Click on the Patreon logo on the screen for more information. Also, I'm leaving a link in the video description down below. Thank you for watching, for all your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye!